Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom. And this time we're gonna take a look at this shot. And how did I shoot this one? Now, without a doubt, the striplight is one of my favorite modifiers. And why is that? Well, it's very simple to explain. If you look at light sources, we have different kinds of light sources. We have our hard light sources, which I absolutely love for those really nice crispy shadows and contrast. We of course have our big softboxes or umbrellas, omnidirectional light sources, and of course we have strip lights. And strip lights for me are actually in a category on their own, a little bit like Fresnels, because they're very specific and they're incredibly flexible. So let me first take a look at what is a strip light. A strip light for me is a big softbox without all the sides. So that means that I can light a model from top to bottom, but I don't have any spill lights on the sides because, well, as you can see in the picture, it's a rectangular shape. Now, one of the things that I love about the strip light is that I can literally pinpoint my light towards my model, but also towards the backdrop. Let me explain that a little bit more. Let's take a look at how the strip light looks. If we can see the strip light from the front, you can see that in the middle we have a lot of light hitting our subject. But if we go more to the sides, then you can see that the light becomes slightly dimmer, especially of course because I'm using a grid inside that strip light. So in essence, one could say that we have three different softboxes, one in the middle and two on the sides. And you can literally just play along with this. So for this setup, I'm using one strip light in a horizontal position. So that means that I'm lighting my model exactly where I want it, but I can use the sides of the light to light the backdrop. Now, if I want a little bit more light on the backdrop, the only thing I have to do is just angle that strip light. And I think that's one of the biggest tips I can give you guys. If you play with lighting, always remember that you have total control over your lighting and your lighting doesn't have total control over you. By just angling the light, you can change the combination of light hitting the backdrop and light hitting your model. You could also say you're actually balancing that light of the backdrop and your model. Do you want more on the backdrop? You angle the light slightly towards the backdrop. If you want more on the model and less on the backdrop, you angle it towards your model. And by changing the position of the model more towards the center of that strip light, the model gets more light and a little bit of a harsher quality. Move your model towards the edge of the strip light, you already guessed it, she will get a little bit less light but a softer quality. And that's actually all we're doing in this setup. Now, of course, you could add an accent light on the other side, or maybe if you think, oh, everything is a little bit too dark, you can use a fill-in light. But in this case, you can also do it with just a strip light. Isn't that just awesome? One light source, a beautiful dress, and some stunning shots, right? Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, hit that like button, of course, because we really like that. But most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. See you again next time. Bye guys.